What?
We go some more?
May I have your attention, please?
I go.
I go. Amen.
Yes, ma'am.
You once again welcome to Kakum National Park.
Thank you.
The line you see here, that's the boundary line. It separates the secondary forest from the primary forest. The one behind you, that's the secondary forest. It has been cultivated some years back, and when we left it for 20 years, it has now become a regenerating forest. Then the one behind me, that's the primary forest, the oldest forest. It's not a virgin forest because some of the trees have been logged before. The name Kakum is a name of a river derived from monkey sound, that is Kakum. Kakum National Park adjacent the Asenatadanso Resource Reserve, collectively managed as Kakum Conservation Area, protected 360 square kilometers. I mean the size of the park. We have animals here, most of them are nocturnal and diurnals. They are active early morning, then in the night. So during the daytime like this, it's very hard for you to see them. We have animals like forest elephants, we have duikers. The duikers, they are species of antelopes. We have leopards, we have the forest elephants, we have monkeys. For the monkeys, we have different types. We have the black and white colobus, the spot-nosed monkey, Diana's monkey, the red monkey, a lot. But please, we don't have tigers, lions, no.
No?
We don't have it here.
How big are
And
the
also, yeah, we have it.
How big?
The elephant, yeah. Also, we have at least 300 species of birds and at least 600 species of butterflies. The butterfly is a new one discovered in 1994. It was named after the park. It's called Dipatis kakumi. We have two activities here. We have the canopy walk and the nature walk. But I think the canopy is our main product. So I'll talk of that one first. It's a long bridge in between the canopy layers. It has different heights and different lengths. The height started from 11 meters to 40 meters high. And the length is 350 meters long. I mean starting from the entrance to the exit of the bridge. We have 7 bridges and 6 platforms. At first it was one way, but now a new bridge has been constructed. So after the first bridge, when you get to the first platform, we have 2 ways. The left is bypass, and that one is for those who are scared of heights. And the right one is the higher one. So when you are doing the first bridge, please, you assess yourself. Then when you get to the first platform, you take a decision over there. Whether you take the short or you continue from the right, that's the higher one.
Nadia, you got that?
The canopy was built by 2 Canadians, assisted by 6 Ghanaian engineers. It was contract given to the Canadians, so after the construction they went. For the Ghanaians, they are here doing the maintenance. Maintenance is made every 6 months, then every morning we check before we start our tour. So for your safety, I can assure you 100%.
How much
So,
weight
so
is allowed? How much weight?
It started from 4 to 8 tons. So meaning it can weigh 2 elephants.
Okay. Good.
I don't think we
I
wait too
didn't
long.
think so. We should be
I
good.
think maybe one elephant.
so you said the canopy is secure. So what if it pops? Do we hang on and swing?
Yeah, with all the okay, please. Also, when you are working on it, because it's made up with ropes, nets, and other things, it will make some noise and it will also swing a bit. When you hear the noise, please concentrate. Don't bother.
Breathe.
Yeah.
Breathe.
Say don't panic. huh?
No.
Concentrate. Breathe. Work
So
through it.
please, if anyone have a question to ask, you can ask me before we leave.
If somebody wish to stay behind, what happened?
I will wait for you.
Yeah.
I will go with those who are scared. Yeah. Any question again, please?
So if you pass the first one
And you think
and you didn't turn back,
You
is
will
there
take the
another
shot.
opportunity to turn back?
No way
no,
out.
you
You
have
gotta
to
finish
continue.
out the
No,
rest.
to take the shot.
Okay.
So if you take the shots after the first bridge, you have 2 more bridges. But it's the same level, 11 meters. But when you take the right, the more you go, the higher it becomes.
So we'll just keep the left.
I'll go with the
We'll take the shorter one, all of us, since it's so dark and late.
How much bridge is
My sister, speak for yourself. It's individually up to individuals.
Adventure of Ghana.
Please, can we continue?
Are we going to see the elephants?
No.
So we're not going to see any animals?
No.
Why would you want to see the animals?
Why not?
Let me push out the bridge. You can see them down there.
Go to the zoo for the animals.